We have the privilege to enter into, with the ritual of coaching, we enter into those top executives' needs, personal situation. Basically, we find that they've got their cost structure, they've got their vision, they've got their pressure, and this is clear. The business model typically is clear. The back office is clear. The issue or the frustration in a lot of cases is really to translate that in a comprehensive language to the field. We feel a kind of frustration in a lot of top executives in retail area to really make real their vision. And we work a lot on that communication. How do I translate my vision into simple KPIs, actionable by the field? And so that any salesperson in my company each day in the store is capable to translate and to make own. That's really typically the most important situation that we find in those executive coaching sessions.